Welcome back to another video. How y'all doing? Hope y'all having a good day. Today we got some good news. I'm feeling good. I'm feeling great. I'm gonna show y'all what's happening. You see the title. Basically we just gonna show some parts. What we gonna talk about, what we got, what we need to have the car running. So hopefully in the next 1 to 2 videos I'll have the car start and driving. So this is where we at right now. I did not film any of this because I had help. My buddy came over to help me out, so I just wanted to get it done. Unfortunately, I could not put the transmission in, but he was here with the lift, so I just put the engine in. And the reason why I couldn't do that because the bolts in the transmission were the automatic ones. I don't know what I was thinking, but I don't know if you can see it. 18. Those cannot work. They are too short. So if you're doing your first swap and you don't know what you're doing, I just told you something. I'm just finding out stuff as I go on because it's my first time doing this. I switched my vehicle speed sensor because that was broken. That's the trans, GSR trans. B20B, y'all know that already. If you watched the previous video, which you should go and watch the previous video. I'm gonna run the giraffe neck for now, but I'm gonna upgrade it. You will see in the future what I'm upgrading it to. So these are the parts that I have currently. And so my axles, got this from my buddy, just a shifter. I'm gonna upgrade that soon. I just want a car to be running right now, so that's gonna be upgraded. Gave me these holes, picked those up. Shift linkage, passport shift linkage. I made a mistake and ordered the wrong linkage, so I had to send it back. So just got these in. These are really, let me see if I can get it out real quick. Passport know what they doing. These are clean, boy. Golly, I like that. I like the finish. Yeah, so these came in. Clutch, I'm going with CM clutch again. Never failed me the last time on my boosted setup, so I'm going again. Flywheel bolts, got the correct ones now. Taller bolts. Clutches right here. I went with a stage 1 for now. And then these are my bushings for the shift linkage. Those just came in. Yeah, so it's another day. We're gonna keep the vlog running. And as you can see, the car is not on jacks no more. I mean, that's like a car guy's dream when the car's off jacks, man. But I'm gonna have to put it up back on jacks again because my T-bracket is not lining up with the trans. So my guess is I'm gonna have to change this CRV post mount. So I got one. I got a EM1 post mount. So they said this should work. So that's the next thing I'm gonna do. I don't think I'm gonna show the process because there's tons of videos. I mean, you just taking these bolts off here, loosen these, and that's it. So I'm just gonna show when I get all the bolts in. As I said, I'm not trying to keep this vlog too much of this, do this, do that, do this, do that, means this. I just want the vlog to be about driving, racing, whatever it be. If I get a new part, I'll upgrade it. I'll definitely show me upgrading the part and go test it. So that's what I want. That's what I want the vlog to be about this trip. You know what I mean? Previously I had so much maintenance going on, so tired of that. I still didn't get my wire harness done yet, so that's one thing I gotta do. But yeah, so now I'm gonna jack the car up and try to get that post mount in and see what's going on. So the next, I don't know yet, but as I said, I want to do 1 to 2 more videos where the car is driving. So by the time I start posting, it won't be too long before the car start driving. Let's put it like that. So I just got done, and it's still dirty, but I didn't film it because it was a whole bunch of stuff going on. So I changed out the mount to an EM1 mount. It's the B20B mount. CRV doesn't work. EM1, and everything is lined up. You can see it down there. It's lined up on the trans. Yes, sir. It's lined up down there. Everything. Still need to get a bolt for this. And one of my bolts stripped out down there. Whatever. I'm gonna rebuild the trans and fix everything up, or change the trans. Anyway, so yeah, that's it, man. We getting there. Next thing I'm gonna do, get the linkage and everything else, do some button ups, wiring and all of that. Yes, yeah, wait. Yes, sir. So it's the continuation. It's a different day, but we still working. As I said, I don't want to keep the vlog running for too long. I mean, a whole bunch of different videos for just putting the engine in. So yeah, now I got my intake system all linked up. Got the coolant lines all buttoned up. Yes, sir. Got my clutch ran the clutch. Got my slave cylinder hooked up. Clutch feels good. I bought a stage 1 clutch, but it still feels like stage 4. I don't know what's going on, but I'm gonna see how it goes. I know it will hold the power because of how it feels, and it's no crazy power, but because I'm gonna just keep this engine stopped for now, and they just running, having fun. Then I'm gonna go B20B. So, but I don't know which head I'm gonna use yet. Y'all stay tuned to see which head I'm gonna use. But yep, so I got this all buttoned up. I still got some parts needed. I need my half shaft. I need the shift linkage bracket that goes to the chassis. I need that. I need my starter. Still ain't got my starter yet. And yeah, it's getting there, man. It's getting there. Patience, but it's getting there. Yes, sir. Yes, even though it's another day, seems like it's the same day to y'all. Yeah, but I just installed my shifter. Ugh. Let's install the shifter. See if I can get a view for y'all right there. Clutch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which seems weird, and reverse. Seems a little bit weird to me, but I don't know. I ain't got no fluids in it yet. But yeah, that's where I'm at right now. Shifter's in. I still need half shaft. Still need half shaft and starter. So that's the next pre. Half shaft and starter. Need my half shaft, need my starter. Then the next video after this, because I'm gonna just close out this video, and the next video I'm gonna have those things starting, car be driving. So by the time you see those videos, then be prepared for the next videos where I'm gonna be testing the car, doing some polls and all of that. So yeah, so thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Like, share, let me stop. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe. I appreciate y'all. Yeah, and just stay tuned. I'm gonna get this thing running. You like Hondas, you like EK, you like building, you like racing, you like all that? Right here. Stay right here. We out.